Question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding blood pressure. 1. It is the pressure exerted by the blood on the walls of any vessel. 2. It decreases in the arteries as the distance from the heart increases. And third is, it is lower in the capillaries than in the arteries. And fourth is, it is usually lower in women than in men. And answer will be D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. There are 4 options is given here. A is 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B is 2, 3 and 4 are correct. And C is 1 and 4 are correct. And D is 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Then D will be answer. And solution is also given below. And by the help of solutions can easily understand what should be the answer. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 is fastest distribution of some injectable material, medicine, and with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting it into the option A is muscles, B is arteries, and C is veins, and D is lymph vessels. Answer will be option C, veins. And solution is also given below, given here also. And by the help of solutions, you can easily understand what should be the answer. Okay, and but here C is the correct answer, veins. Okay, question number 3 is, and which of the following figure illustrates the systolic and diastolic pressure? In option A, 120 mmHg, and in B, 80 mmHg, and in C, 120 mmHg and 80 mmHg respectively, and in D, 80 mmHg and 120 mmHg respectively. And correct answer will be C, 120 mmHg and 80 mmHg respectively. And by the help of solutions also you can easily understand, and solution hints is given here. Okay, and next question is question number 4. What is the function of blood vessels and capillaries? And in option A, they pump blood to heart, and in B, they filter impurities from the blood, and in option C, they carry blood to all parts of the body, and answer D, they carry messages from brain to muscles. And answer is they carry blood to all parts of the body. And here is solution is given here, and you can read the solutions and easily can understand what should be the answer. Okay, next question is question number 5. Which of the following organ system permits blood to circulate and transport the nutrients? Option A is circulatory system, and B is cardiovascular system, and C is vascular system, and D is all of above. Okay, then answer is all of above, and his solution is also given here, and by the help of solution you can understand. And but here any D option is right option. Okay, next question is question number 6. Arteries are best defined as the vessels which, and in option A, here break up into capillaries, and B is supply oxygenated blood, and C is carry blood away from the heart to different organs, and in D, carry blood from one visceral organ to another visceral organ. And answer is option C, carry blood away from the heart to different organs. by the help of solutions you can also easily understand. Read the solution and then you tick the correct tick the option. Okay, and we see next question. Question number 7. In which one of the following pairs two terms represent the same things? And in option A, lymphocyte and leukocyte, and B, plasma serum, and in C, mitral valves and bicuspid valve, and in D, atrioventricular node and pacemaker. Then see the correct option, mitral valves and bicuspid valve, and solution is also given here. We read solution, and the mitral valve is also known as the bicuspid valve and left atrioventricular valve. It is a valve with two flaps in the heart that lies between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Thus, the correct answer is mitral valve and the bicuspid valve. Okay, next question is we see question number 8. The largest artery in the human body is option A is systematic artery, and B lingual artery, and C pulmonary artery, and D aorta. Okay, and D is the correct option. D is the correct option, and solution is also given here. You can see the solution. Okay, we see next question. Question number 9. The valve present between the left auricle and left ventricle is, and option A tricuspid valve, and B bicuspid valve, and C mitral valve, and D aortic valve, and correct option is C mitral valve, and solution is also given here. We see next question. Next question is question number 10. Which of the following statements is correct regarding veins? And option A, carry blood from an organ towards the heart, and option B, all veins carry oxygenated blood with single exception, and in C, carry blood from heart toward the organ, and D, all of these. The answer is carry blood from an organ toward the heart, and here is solution is also given here.